We will and parachute all the guns of the foe and still get ready. Airborne from heading the goal. Coming, make the jumps and take your bows today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, get all those glides.
So today on Have a Knife Day, we're going to be talking about knives from Protech. Now, last year, I went to a Family Day event, and I picked up my first Protech. And this is it right here. This is a Les George Protech collaboration known as the Rockeye. Snappy. And it is my first Protech. And yesterday, on the 12th of December, I was at my VFW at a steak night. In between conversations, I was checking out various knife fan pages, as I often do. And I went over to the Protech Enthusiasts Facebook group, and I noticed that the 13th was another Family Day. And I was like, holy smokes. I had, almost inadvertently missed out on this opportunity. The same opportunity they got me this knife. Now, I went over there and I paid for a ticket. That was $30. Bear with me. There was also, you had the opportunity to buy a mystery box. It had a random knife in it with a bunch of really cool swag from Protech. Unfortunately, I did miss out on that. But when I showed up at 10 a.m. over in the city of Placentia in Southern California, the line was really, it was a decent sized line for the time I got there, full of Protech enthusiasts, members of the community. Everyone there was like-minded. We were having some great conversations, and when you looked over, everything was in the parking lot. They had food, they had a photo booth, a bouncy house for the kids. Sorry, kids, you can't carry knives in the bouncy house because of what happened that one time. I'm kidding. But when 10 o'clock hit and everybody started moving through, we queued up to get into the little tent where the knives for sale were being held. And I looked down on a table and I found this. They were giving out challenge coins. As you can tell, I collect challenge coins. So this one is the Protech 2024 25th anniversary challenge coin. And then there was a little setup for Blade HQ. Here's one of their challenge coins. And on this side, it has a mermaid. And I also picked up a couple of patches. This one says, presidents are temporary, knives are everyday. And they had quesadillas, tacos, churros, and tons of really cool, especially baked treats, which is, my favorite, seeing that I don't drink. And then as we moved through our line, I picked up a couple of knives. And here is the first one I chose. And let's now check this out. There is a lock. Push the button, nothing happens. Look at the size of that blade. That is amazing. So this is the TR4 with an overall length of 9.25 inches, blade length of 4, blade thickness of 0.125, drop point blade, black ground 154 cm, stone washed, handle length of 5.25, handle material aluminum, weighing in at 5.50 ounces, stainless steel pocket clip, button lock with secondary lock, automatic and made in the good old USA in Placentia, California. Fantastic. The Protech TR4 is a full-size automatic knife designed originally for U.S. military requirements, featuring a 4-inch 154 cm stone wash drop point blade on a black aluminum handle. This versatile knife includes a 416 hardened stainless steel glass breaker pommel, weighing in at 5.50 ounces, etc., backed by Protech's industry-leading lifetime warranty. This knife guarantees quality and customer satisfaction. And it usually goes for $280. I'm looking at River Edge Cutlery at the moment. I got it at the event for $125. That's a great deal. Let's take a look at that. Fantastic. And then with my eye, I did spy another knife, and it is this. It's an Emerson collaboration knife. And that is the Emerson protech CQC7. This is the CQC7A. And as you can tell, this is very vigorous. That pops open with authority. With an overall length of 7.875 inches, blade length is 3.25 with a cutting edge of 3 inches. Blade thickness is 0.12 inches. CPM S45BN steel. Tonto chisel. Finish is black, edge is plain. A handle length of 4.625 inches. Handle thickness 0.47 inches. Aluminum handle, black. Frame and liner is aluminum, weighing in at 4.10 ounces. Right hand, tip up, tip down, automatic push button, button lock, protech, etc., etc. And this knife, out in the wild, I cannot tell you how much it costs because it is out of stock. It's archived. But once again, $125. And just to give you an idea of size comparison, here is a Emerson CQC7 with painted wave. And that's what they look like against each other. And there you go. What a great event. I was so very, very fortunate to be able to attend it, to get to associate with the community. It's always a pleasure to hang out with like-minded people, telling stories, sharing our knives that we have in our pockets and what we hope we can find for sale, and just being able to see all of the great deals. Chavez Knives was actually there too because they've done collaborations with protech also. So, gosh, trust me, if you are in the Southern California area around this time next year, keep your eye on the Protech Enthusiasts Facebook page and the Protech on Instagram and come and see this yourself. It is worth the effort. So I went from owning just one Protech to owning 3. And everyone there is just so kind and gracious and accommodating. I don't think a single feeling was hurt during that whole thing. And I didn't see any Band-Aids, so there's that. But what a treat to have these 2 new knives under the Christmas tree. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending time here with me today. Please do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We are a veteran-owned and operated YouTube channel with a love of sharing good things, and especially when it comes to blade history and promoting American-made. All right. Thank you so much. And as always, keep your eyes open for good deals. Merry Christmas, and have a knife day.
We will perish on the guns of the forest. Get ready. Airborne from skies of blue. Heading the goal. We're coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go put on your boots. Your jumping boots, your parachute. Your parachute. Get all those gliders ready to attack today.